This is 100% a promotional video, but there are amazing deals, honestly. So let's get started right away. I'm going to start backward just to give you a gist. I'm discontinuing Framer Freelance with a 62.2% discount. That's first thing. But what's interesting for me and for you is this upcoming course that is really, I would say, SEO driven, mostly for local businesses. So I work with MedSpas. That's applicable for any other local business. The previous version, so the current version actually of Framer Freelance, is still mostly targeted teaching based on local businesses, but not really SEO driven. I teach the principles of like building an agency or going freelance, whatever, but I don't really get into the gist of SEO as a whole. And a lot of people were saying like, "Yeah, I just want to learn SEO. Don't you have an SEO course, whatever?" And I'm like, "Yeah, there's SEO on my Framer freelance course, but I don't like. I understand they don't want to pay $400 just to learn SEO, which is still valuable, by the way. But anyway, long story short, this new course is going to be focused on local businesses and building websites for those local businesses with SEO in mind. So the goal is to rank the website on the first page of Google. That's it. We don't really care about design. I'm not going to teach design on this course. I'm going to teach the process of me building the website from start to finish, everything, like how I do keyword research and how I rank the website on the first page of Google. And then especially this module, which is amazing, the like adding the recurring revenue, now that I really have proof to back it up, like making 7K per month only with recurring revenue. So like writing newsletters and doing the SEO stuff, and that's it. So that's very, very good. Uh, After you take this course, you'll be able to build a website that is optimized for SEO, ranking it on the first page of Google, and having the confidence to add recurring revenue and charge them for whatever that might be. So, anyway, that's pretty much it for this. It's on sale, so pre sale. It is not available yet. It will be available on January 8th, 2025. And this is a draft. This is not the like the final version, okay? So I'm going to collect feedback before the official release and making it better. So yeah, I my goal with this course is to give you something actionable that you can literally consume in 3 days and understand everything by day four and start like applying everything. That's my goal with this course. And for the price, honestly, it's worth it. It's worth it. You're gonna pay $50. You're gonna learn how to do all of this. That will make money for your future clients and for yourself. So I let you decide if that's worth $50 or not. And at the end of the day, it's gonna be $90 after Black Friday. So that's pretty much it for that. When it comes to Framer Freelance, it's at $150 instead of $400. And your question might is probably, why would I buy this if you're doing this? Honestly, I could like keep both, but I noticed that this course is extremely extensive in terms of knowledge consumption. So it's not meant for complete beginner, because there are some nuances that needs to be addressed that I don't really address specifically. And that is, for example, mindset. A lot of people just don't believe that they can sell a website for $2,000. And I understand. And so the positioning of this course is not ideal for a beginner that will take it. It's just going to feel more overwhelming because I'm just saying, yeah, you're going to charge 2K, but I'm going to reframe that and making it better. Okay. And still, a lot of people that bought this course found it valuable and actionable. So you can still buy it and you will have access to this when it will release for free, and you have everything here. So I'm going to link up another video that shows you what's inside the course. And that's pretty much it for my promotional self promotion video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next week.